dear friends, lovely guests.
They require structure, discipline, and long-term commitment.
All the delicious you can help yourself with your refreshment.
%177% year-on-year growth, and for a relatively young brand in Malaysia, we are very grateful for this momentum. But momentum alone is not the strategy. What matters more is building the right foundation so that growth is consistent, credible, and sustainable. At the heart of our direction to build a long-term automotive brand in Malaysia, GWM is driven by technology, supported by stronger products, and backed by a dependable nationwide network. As we look ahead, GWM Malaysia is entering our next phase of growth. Our focus is sustainable growth towards 2028. We have set clear ambitions to achieve 6% market share by expanding our reach and strengthening brand presence, to reach 60,000 units annually through a strong product pipeline and improved supply efficiency, and to become a top 10 automotive brand in Malaysia, including top 3 among Chinese automotive brands driven by trust and ownership experience. These are not short-term targets. They require structure, discipline, and long-term commitment. This evening, I would like to share what that means in practical terms. First, our product roadmap. We have built clear brand roles across Haval, Tang, Aura, and Way. Today, our top-selling models include the Haval H6 HEV and the Way G9 High-4 PHEV. Moving forward, we will continue expanding our portfolio across segments and powertrains to meet the diverse needs of Malaysian drivers. You will begin to see more variety in our pipeline, including soon to be launched Tang 300 HEV, as well as upcoming PSUV and CSUV models planned between 2026 and in 2027, including a future luxury CSUV. These segments are highly relevant for Malaysia and indicates our commitment to provide across all powertrains. We'll roll out our new corporate identity standards, introducing more premium showroom environments and a more